In this lesson, we will learn how to edit the text content inside a Rive animation, that is, the text runs. For the same, we'll use this animation and edit the contents of these text layers. Now, before we export this file for runtime, we need to make sure that the text runs inside these text layers are given unique names. If you don't change the names, then you won't be able to edit them later in the runtime. So in this case, we need to go ahead and change this name to a unique name, which we will reference later in the Flutter side. Same for the other one, and change it to a unique name like this. Now our file is ready to be exported, so let's go ahead and perform the same. So here is our text animation. Now we want to edit the text inside. To do that, we need the artboard to access the text runs. To get the artboard, we can use the onInit callback inside the Rive animation. We'll go ahead and supply us the artboard when the animation has been initialized. And using the artboard, we can go ahead and access the text run using the component method, and then specifying the type as TextValueRun, and then giving it the name of our text run, which we just edited. So I can go ahead and access the base text run, store it as a variable, and then using this text run, we can go ahead and change its text using the text attribute. So I can go ahead and make sure it's not null before performing the action, and then set it as a new value. So let's go ahead and change it to swipe to open like this. And now I can go ahead and hot restart for this to be called, and you can see the text is changed. Now our animation has two text layers and we need to change both for the animation to work. So let's go ahead and perform the same. This video lesson is part of a bigger Flutter Rive animation course, where we will cover how to set up state machines, control inputs, load custom font and image assets, and everything related to the Flutter Rive API. Visit the link below in description and check out the same. Now let's get back to the video. So I will go ahead and extract the fields out that is inside of the widget. I can go ahead and create the TextValueRun fields. One will be base, another one will be the shine. Now I can go ahead and assign these values inside the onInit callback. Same for the other text run like this. And now instead of calling this multiple times, that is the component and the TextValueRun type, we can go ahead and create an extension on the artboard, which is recommended by the Rive documentation as well. So we can simply create an extension on the artboard, which will return us the TextValueRun, which can be nullable. And then we can name our function TextRun. It will receive the name of the text run we want, and it will return the component that is with the name of the text run of type TextValueRun. Now we can go ahead and use this instead. So instead of the component, we can simply use our text run, and it's much more easier to reuse the same. Now we can go ahead, and once we have got the text runs, we can edit them later on. So here inside of a text button, I can go ahead and use the base, the text attribute, and set it to swipe to open like this. Repeat the same for the other text run, and now we are all set. So let's go ahead and hot restart. We can go ahead and initialize it again, get the text runs. And now if I go ahead and click on the change text, you can see the text has been changed for both of the text runs. So that's how you can change the text inside a Rive animation. Now, if you're having issues changing the text inside your Rive animation, then make sure the runs have been edited in the Rive editor and you're using the same names as edited in the Rive editor inside your Flutter code as well. And also make sure you're using the minimum Rive version, that is the package that supports the text feature. So that's how you can change the text runs inside a Rive animation in Flutter.